Hey, 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 LadyJustice, Liberty Press, Season 7, The Revenge of the Records. Who's in?
We have the first police car, unit number 40703, Salt Lake City Police Department. The second one is unit 40596. We also have unit 40584, Salt Lake City Police Department. We also have unit number 40541, Salt Lake City Police Department.
You can. Yeah, I want you to walk. So you're not. Okay, go ahead. Okay, you're gonna take 9 cuts. Not yet. Later to you, and bright. Okay. Build the toe. 1, 2. You're gonna look down. 3, 4, 5. Okay.
We have 4 police officers here doing a DUI.
Allegedly.
I'm picking up somebody that I don't even know. I literally picked up somebody I don't know. I'm gonna do the. I'm down with it, brother. I'm down. Figure it out. Yeah. Give me the test. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. I'm not worried because
when you get listen, and then okay, you understand the new code. So you could you that. You said that you have like a power sign on it. I got like a cheat. Like I'll find it. Okay. After this, I'll try and remember. But I'll shoot you a message to tell that'd be awesome.
I think I have it on. I just took step number 9. Right? Okay. You're gonna use your back foot and a small series of steps. Turn around and face the other way. Okay. And then it's 9 steps back. The exact same thing. Count out loud. Here, guys.
We will be setting this out for court of public opinion.
The hill is up.
And then he will be shining the light of liberty.
Whatever you want me to do. Yeah, you need to do whatever you want. I don't. I'll walk with you. I put the homie for no. I said, call me, man. Drop somebody. Drop me, man. Do whatever you want. Drop me. Go home. Take me. Find out. I don't give a fuck. Because I don't know, man. I dropped some homie, man. Why? 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 I'm koozie, brother.
Dude, you're koozie, right, bro?
I'm Habibi. I'm Habibi.
Right.
I love working out. I'm koozie. Walk me home, man. Let the homie go home. Go home. Am I trouble? Take me home. Take me home. Whatever you want, man. Take me home, man.
Let's do it on the sidewalk. It's actually a little more flat right here. You guys want to step
whatever
back? So
whatever it is, bro. Whatever it is, then I'm koozie with it.
I want you to do what I just.
What do you want me to do?
No, it's not.
Boom. 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 Just drop me, bro. Bro, just drop me, man. It's people I know. Boom. Boom. Like, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Yeah, some people
Okay. All right, we're done with that test. Okay, there's one more, okay?
Take me home, man. Do whatever you want, man, bro.
Are you going to complete the test or not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. I appreciate it, man.
There's one more
Habibi,
test.
I love you. Habibi, that's me.
Okay, I need you to listen to me, though.
Just listen to him for a second.
Okay? There's one more test. It's called the one-legged stand. Okay? You're going to use the leg of your choice.
Why? Call me.
Hey.
Call me for no reason.
Hey,
Yeah,
if you don't listen to me,
I'm listening to you.
okay,
I'm listening to you, brother.
focus on me.
I'm listening
Okay?
to you,
I really
brother.
need you to
Habibi,
listen
I
right now.
love you, man.
Okay.
Listen to me, because I took the
No,
homie
you
out
listen
for
to
no
me.
reason.
Stop.
I will listen to you.
Listen to me and stop talking. You're going to stand on the leg of your choice. Okay, this is called the one-legged stand, but I don't want you to start until I tell you to. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, your hands are going to be down to your sides like this. You're going to be looking down. The leg of your choice, you're going to lift up. You're going to keep your foot parallel to the ground. You're going to stare at your toe. Count out loud. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, until I tell you to stop. Okay.
Okay. Which one? Right or left?
It's at your choice. If your foot goes down, Pick it back up and continue counting until I tell you to stop, all right?
So, I was on my house drinking some wine. I don't know, man. Tell me. Well,
Go ahead and start the test, man.
what do you want to do? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Just tell me. What do you want me to do, brother?
I want you to start the test that I just told you to do.
Whatever.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and start. Remember, you got to look at your toe and count out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fuck my nose, man. 8, 4. 1, 2, 3. I grab 1, 2, 3.
Okay. All right, man. That's gonna conclude our test.
Do
Okay.
whatever you want for me.
All right, man. Go ahead and hey.
Come on, man.
How do you say your name?
Jay.
Jay. All right,
Javi.
Jay. Okay,
man.
Jay,
Come on,
go ahead and face the other way for me.
Fuck
Okay.
me up,
No,
bro.
we're not gonna hurt you. Okay.
Fuck me up,
Just
bro.
place your hands behind your back.
Yeah. Fuck me up, bro.
So you're
For
under
no
arrest for
reason.
DUI.
For no reason, man.
Oh no, you're
For
driving
no reason, bro.
intoxicated. dude.
I bring up fucking homies for no reason, bro. It's good.
Well,
it's
you
good.
shouldn't be out picking your homies up when you're
For
intoxicated.
no fuck. I know.
All right.
Javi. So I'm gonna read you just as a formality. I gotta read you something called Miranda.
Let me record that shit, man.
Mm-hmm.
So you're on body cam.
So you have
How?
we got cameras on.
Why,
So
bro, man? I pick up a homie. Why did I answer that shit, bro?
So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to a lawyer. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. At any point during questioning, you can express your rights. But with those rights in mind, would you be willing to talk with us?
I don't know.
You
Bro,
don't know.
just get me home, bro. I'm a fucking working man now. I love my family. Just whatever. I literally pick up a homie and literally on my mama.
Jay, it's a yes or no question. You gotta know.
What does that mean? What does that mean? I have no idea. I've never been arrested. I've never been.
Dude, will you talk to us? Pretty much what we're asking.
Yeah, I'm asking.
Okay, cool. Perfect. That's all I need to know.
I'm talking.
Jay, I'm gonna bring you over to my car. We're
Yeah.
gonna sit down in the back of my car.
Yeah, bro. I saw it, bro.
Hey, we're taking this out to the court of public opinion. What do you, the viewers, think about this interaction? Hey, drop your thoughts, your opinions below. Let's spark a conversation.
Right? And it's kind of sticky ones.
Stay cool up here?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, great.
Frozen up here.
Alright, thank you. Notification. Y'all, Sarah, and witnessed. Have a good day.